In this video, you will learn to make healthy and affordable snack options for you or your kids after school. This also teaches kids to be able to make an easy snack for themselves with minimal adult help. For safety reasons, make sure to have an adult help you insert and remove the tray from the oven. Have an adult also help you blend together the ingredients in the blender. The tools needed for this recipe are a blender, a cupcake tray, an oven, a timer, a toothpick, a non-stick baking spray, and measuring cups and spoons. The ingredients used in this video are 3 very ripe bananas, 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats or normal oats, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of kosher salt or normal salt, 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chunks or chips. Some tips and alternatives: instead of using oats, you can use flour of your choice. And you can also use any types of toppings, it does not have to be chocolate. And for a smoother batter, you can pre-mash the bananas before putting them in the blender. Now, to start off, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While that is preheating, combine your bananas, your oats, your milk, your egg, baking powder, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and salt, all in the blender. Next, blend the batter together for about a minute. Be sure to ask an adult for help if needed. After the batter is blended, spray the cupcake tin with cooking spray and pour in the batter, leaving about 1/4 of an inch space at the top. After the batter is poured in, sprinkle on the chocolate chunks on top of every muffin. Once you have placed the chocolate, you can then put your muffins in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can check that the muffins are ready once you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Take the muffins out of the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes. After they cool down, you can eat and enjoy.